Students, today we are going to start our third chapter, Glimpses of the Past. Glimpses. Glimpses means showcases. Like in Hindi we can say jhalak. Before you read, here are some pictorial glimpses of the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. 1857 is the year in which the first war for freedom was fought. These pictures and speech bubbles will help to clarify your understanding of the conditions that led to the event known as First War of Independence in 1857. As we discuss about 1857, you have also heard about Mr. Mangal Pandey. The martyrs. The martyrs. Martyr means shaheed. The people who were died in saving their country. Martyrs. In this picture, at a function in Delhi, oh my countrymen, let your eyes fill with tears as you recall the sacrifices of Indian martyrs. Lata Mangeshkar was singing a song in Delhi, "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, oh my countrymen, let your eyes fill with tears, ज़रा आँख में भर लो पानी, as you recall the sacrifices of Indian martyrs." जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी. Come to the second picture. The company conquest. Conquest means winning. Country conquest from 1757 to 1849. During this period, company means British company. You have heard company Raj. In second, what had been written in the pictures, with its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending its power in 18th century India. इसमें इंडिया का जो पार्ट दिखा रखा है दैट इज इन पिंक कलर, इंडियन प्रिंसेस इन येलो कलर, ब्रिटिश एम्पायर, ब्रिटिश टेरिटरी इज इन पिंक कलर, dark pink color. So at that time Britishers have occupied this part of India. With its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending its power in 18th century India. It means with its powers, like they use guns, pistols. So by those weapons they were able to occupy India. India princes were short-sighted. Short-sighted means they only think about present, but Britishers were thinking about future. That upstart Raja Bha called the English merchants. They will help me to defeat him. क्या होता था, आपस में जब राजाओं की भिड़ंत हो जाती थी, एक दूसरे से टकराव शुरू हो जाता था, तो राजा भा ने क्या किया कि अपनी मदद के लिए दूसरे राजा को हराने के लिए ब्रिटिशर्स से हेल्प मांगी. द पीपल हैड नो पीस ड्यू टू सच कॉन्स्टेंट फाइट्स. क्योंकि लोगों में शांति नहीं थी आपस में बार बार लड़ाई होने से. क्लियर? Then the rivalries helped the East India Company and it could easily subdue Indian princes one by one. The rivals helped the East India Company, जो एक दूसरे के विरोधी थे, प्रिंसेस, जो राजा लोग, वो क्या करते थे, वो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के साथ मिल जाते थे एंड दे कुड ईजिली सबड्यू इंडियन प्रिंसेस वन बाय वन। और इस तरह से वो एक एक करके सारे राजाओं को अलग करते गए। A far-seeing ruler like brave Tipu of Mysore fought the British till he died fighting. टीपू सुल्तान के बारे में आपने सुना होगा। टीपू सुल्तान fought with Britishers until he died because he knew what will happen in future. Clear? Some people were discussing how did Indians react to these conquests? इन जो ये विजय हुई ब्रिटिशर्स की, लोगों ने कैसे इस पे रिएक्ट किया? Thank God there is peace in the country now, no more wars and no looting by thugs. Some people were happy because by Britishers the fightings were ended and they thought now there will be no war, there will be no loot by thugs. जो लुटेरे लूट लेते थे अब वो लूट नहीं होगी। One other people say it is God who sent the British. It is God who sent the British. Britishers को भगवान ने भेजा है हमारी मदद करने के लिए। Our destiny is linked with them. तीसरे ने क्या कहा कि हमारा जो भाग्य है, हमारी जो डेस्टिनी है, वो लिंक करती है, जुड़ी हुई है ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ। और एक दूसरे पीपल ने क्या कहा, द वाइट मैन हैज़ किल्ड एंड डिथ्रोन्ड आवर किंग्स। दूसरे एक आदमी ने क्या कहा कि